Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the GameChanger app not working. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step to fix that. So here we can see the GameChanger app. So if it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So just press and hold it here. Just click that I button. It will open the app info section. So go at the storage. Just click on the clear data. Just clear the existing data, then open the app again. If it works for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. So go to Google search bar and search for the GameChanger app. So from here, download the latest version and it will work on your device. So by this way you can do it, and you can let me know in my comment section if you have any doubt. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.